Hello,
Hello.
where are we?
We are in Yayogi Park and there is sake bottles, and these sake bottles are actually famous. So they're donated by big companies, and the companies give it to the shrine to hope for good luck.
Yeah, and on the other side, if you turn around, zoom, like an aeroplane, there are actually barrels of beer, okay, you can see over
A
there,
wine.
of wine and alcohol, and basically I call this alcohol alley. That's my name for it, but I love it.
In Yayogi Park. We're at Takoyaki Street in Harajuku. So it's known for novelty snacks, and it also has a lot of clothes and accessories and stuff like that. So let's check it out. Everything is just 100 yen, which is roughly $1, and we got so much stuff. So the one thing I'm most excited to try is this clear matcha and milk latte.
Yum,
so it's completely clear, but apparently it's a milk latte.
Yum.
Wow, it's more on like the watery side of a milky latte. It's very interesting.
What'd you get again?
Yeah. I give this a 7 out of 10.
Wow, big rating.
Watery side.
Hello, Dan.
Hello. We are at Gendako Takoyaki.
Oh, yeah,
I'm gonna grab big. These are really big. Try it.
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay.
Be careful, it's hot.
It's really hot.
Really?
Oh, it's really. Oh, the batter's so good. Here, I'll open it up. Full of batter. Huge octopus, and it tastes really good. So we're at Zaku Zaku, and we got a self-serve ice cream cone, and it looks really creamy. Oh my god.
Yummy, yummy.
Like, it's the creamiest ice cream I've ever had. Oh, it feels like pure heaven. It's really good and really thick, and look at the texture of it.
Yeah.
So that's really good. So this is what it looks like. So it's a crispy exterior. I'm gonna take a bite. You can see it's like a rush of custard that comes out. The texture outside is super crispy, and inside nice and gooey. So good. I give this place a 10 out of 10. So this is the normal dipping ramen, and this is the special. That broth is so good. Like that mild dashi with the pork base as well. It's really good. The government building in Tokyo, and this is where you can see the view of Tokyo on level 45. We're in Shibuya Crossing!
What is it? Oh yeah. I'm beautiful.
Costume. You can be a doctor. You can also be a middle school girl.
I think I'm beautiful.
Be a hot dog with a big wiener. Oh, you're gonna be an onigiri. Ah, you can be a poop.